let you guys know that we received our kit in the mail today, honey. Yes, it seems like it was forever for me, but it really wasn't. It was only a few days. Also, we wanted to let you guys know that our launch party is this Friday at 7! Woo woo! Yes! That was so corny, but so what? Like, we're really happy that our launch party is this Friday at 7 o'clock. Please share and tune in that day. Share to whoever that you know is interested in $5 jewelry. You can't go wrong. You know what I mean? What I'm going to show you is my kit that I got for $99. The reason why I got the $99 kit was because it has 35 pieces in there. And I wanted to personally pick my pieces. So I didn't go with the higher kits. There's a kit for $2.99. You receive 120 pieces in that. And there's a kit for $4.99 that you receive 300 pieces, I believe, in that one. And of course, the bigger the kit, the more inventory that you receive in those boxes. But like I said, I picked the $99 one only because I wanted to personally pick my pieces. So that inventory is coming tomorrow as well. So I can't wait for Friday. Anyway, this is what the kit looks like.
Happy holidays, people.
And of course, there's a box inside the box, honey, with paperwork and stuff like that. Now, anybody that knows me, of course, if I've been waiting for days, of course I crack the box open. Like, yes, I've seen videos where they waited until they got live or something like that and cracked it open for everybody, you know, to see at the same time. But I couldn't wait. You know, I was excited. I mean, this company is awesome, okay? And I just wanted to see everything I got, especially my pieces. Like, yes, I cracked it open. I did, okay? I'm sorry. But moving to it. This is a welcoming letter, you know, it's for choosing to be a consultant with them and stuff like that. And what I could look forward to, what I should look forward to and stuff like that in there. This is a monthly track sheet of like how many people joined your team this month, how much inventory you sold and stuff like that, and pretty much where your team members and stuff are and how much they sold and stuff like that. It's really nice. It's really nice. This is the party invitations for either you or your hostess to pass out, which I thought was really neat and cute. I'm sorry for the lighting, you know, keep flashing on the plastic. I should have took the plastic off first. Right, if I wanted to crack open the box, I should have got it ready a little bit. These are about, I think this looks like about 3 or 4 brochures for anyone that wants to join my team when I'm hosting a party or something like that. I can pass them out so they get a feel for the compensation plan and stuff, what you would make, you know, what rank and stuff you would be. These are little cute cards where it tracks how much inventory you purchased from me, you know, so how many pieces you bought from me in that inventory. After the 12th one, the 13th one, you get free. So that's what this says on the back. You know what I mean? You mark it until
you will get free jewelry. You will be real excited because you don't have to pay. Nothing.
This is an application. If you want to become a consultant and like what type of kit you want and stuff like that. When I'm at a party, or, you know, if I were to be out and about and, you know, someone sees a piece of jewelry, which one I'm wearing right now, honey. It's beautiful, isn't it? Where if someone's like, hey, I like your jewelry, you know, I'm like, oh, well, you know, I sell jewelry and stuff like that. And if they're interested in becoming, you know, a consultant and joining my team, then I would have some of these on hand, which is really nice. These are receipts for anyone that purchased from me at the party or, like I said, out and about, you know. This is a checklist for anyone that wants to become a consultant and what you do, like in the beginning and your follow-up and stuff like that. And for me as well, since I'm a new consultant, this I would follow, of course. And then I'll be a pro, you know. About come, you want to join my team, honey. This is also a glimpse. What? Glimpses of Malibu, a fashion fix. So pretty much a piece of Malibu's line or whatever. This is some of their pieces from there and what it looks like all put together and stuff, which is really pretty. There's styling tip cards on the back. And like I said, in the other kits, you got a couple more glimpse pages like this. So you got a couple more styling tips cards. But like I said, I only got the little one. So they gave me one, which is still nice. This is a checklist for your party. What you should do and prep and tips and what to do afterwards and stuff like that. Which is really cute. A little before and after. This is really nice. This is a book where it tracks, you can track your parties and sales. It has little lingo on the back under glossary for like what does PV mean, what is a convention, what's a consultant, like a little dictionary pretty much of what everything is, which I thought was really neat because there was a couple lingos like when I go in people's groups and I'm like, what is that? It's like, I know I'm not that old where I can't decipher what the heck does some of this stuff mean. So it helped me out, okay? So now, oh my God, I know what that is. They have a little thing of dates to remember. They also have another one where it's actually written down like Thanksgiving, Mother's Day, Christmas, and stuff like that. And then they also have like a calendar. I'm trying to get to the calendar. A monthly calendar. They have a full one, like almost like a month at a glance thing, and then they also have it where like a breakdown of like that actual day, you know, to track for your parties and if you purchase inventory and stuff like that. That's what I would do it for, you know. And now Minnie's going to tell you the rest. That's in the back of the package.
Hi guys, my name's Kamar, and these are thank you cards for when you give us some money for the jewelry. We're going to be selling you thank you cards.
Pretty much when you purchase from us, we'll give you a thank you card and your and your package as well.
And then this will go on our card, so you see where we're going and what are we doing or something like that.
Honey, when you're driving and you see me as it was paparazzi, you pull up to the side of me, honey. Oh, that's me, honey. I sell paparazzi. Here's a card or two. Give you one of my business cards. I'm so happy I got this. I put on my card. My husband's going to be mad because he hates when I put stuff on the card, but it's the first thing
okay,
I put on the card.
And then this is our jewelry box. Well, it's not. We're not going to put any jewelry in here. We're just going to do, if the jewelry is like crooked and stuff, we're going to fix it with the tweezers and then add something new so like it can be fixed.
It pretty much, if the jewelry has like a loose ring or whatever, we can use it just to tighten it up, like a quick fix type thing. If it was damaged, we would send it back, just to be clear.
And then this is for when we do our live show. We are going to put the jewelry on, like necklaces and bracelets or something like that. And then these are bags. I think probably we want to use these for the live show, right? And
the live show, or if we're hosting parties in our homes and stuff like that, we'll have cute little shopping bags for you to go home with.
And we'll see you in the live show. And probably we'll make more videos. So, peace. Bye.
That's all. This girl was cutting up. That is not the best part about this kit. I can't believe she forgot. Hello. The jewelry. Woo woo. Oh, there's always one more thing. Also hooks for like your peg board. If you're going that way, which I am. I'm trying for the first time this Friday, so we'll see how that goes. Little peg boards to hook onto the jewelry. I believe I think I got 25, and like the next kit up gets 75, and I forgot how much the third kit gets. But it was pretty cool. I'm gonna try it for the first time. If not, I've been hearing things about these J hooks or something like that that's smaller and doesn't shift, so I don't know. But I'll try it for the first time. But of course, me already looking in the kit, I broke some of them up where like these are all the sets that I put together that I'll be selling. I just put them in there. I didn't stuff them in there or nothing. But they're just like rings and bracelets going together and necklaces and going in there.
Because they're already like bagged up. We just put them in there.
And like these were the bracelets that I received that didn't go with anything. They were just separate by themselves. So these were all just the long necklaces with the matching earrings. that I just put into one. So basically when my next inventory gets in tomorrow, I'm going to, you know, like put the sets with the sets, the rings that's just alone with the rings and the bracelets and stuff so I can get them all ready for the party on Friday, honey. You know, get everything together and get everything set. I just wanted to start putting in order. And these are also like earrings that didn't have a set to go with them or didn't match anything, as well as rings. There was a couple rings in there. So, but I believe my inventory tomorrow, I have a few things that would match this stuff that can become a set, you know, so you won't just get a ring or get a bracelet, you know. So it's fun. I'm excited. I can't wait. Please, please, please share with anybody that you know is interested to see this Facebook Live launch party this Friday at 7. I promise you there will be something in there for everybody. You know, I try to be really versatile and get something for everybody's liking. That's why when I posted a few days ago, what do you like? You know, that's why. You know, so I want to get a feel and try to get a little bit of something in there for everybody, you know. Thank you for watching, guys. See you Friday live, 7 o'clock. Bye. Smooches.